Welcome to today's video, and this is a video that I am so excited to film. I have been waiting for this palette for weeks, and if you know me, you know what this is and you know where this is going. I love Beauty Bay, I love Halloween, I love fall, and Beauty Bay released a new palette, and it is the Dark Fantasy palette. Like, are you guys ready for this? Because I don't know if you're ready for it yet. Just take a look first at this beautiful packaging. Here's the back side. And the inside, these beautiful, gorgeous, deep, dark shades. Greens, blues, purples, some golds. Here is the inside of this beautiful palette. I am so excited. So, of course, we're going to do a little review, and then I think my next video is going to be just a Beauty Bay haul because I did get some palettes, and I'm just really excited. So, to start, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Algorithm just for the crease shade, and I might do two different looks with both, one on each eye. We'll just kind of see where this takes us. But I just want to get a neutral kind of shade in for the crease shade, transition shade, and then build on it from there. So how are you guys doing? Are you ready for Halloween? Are you enjoying fall? I obviously am. I love it. It's been cool outside. It just feels so good to be outside and to be breathing fresh air and to get to wear like a flannel or a hoodie. Like I live for this weather. This is just my favorite. I can't get enough of it, and unfortunately it only lasts a couple weeks where I live, so I'm trying to take it all in as much as I possibly can. Hoping the weather will be good for our wedding coming up in like 15 days. Just really hoping everything goes smoothly. All right. So now, just really trying to keep my hair out of the way here. I think I want to do, sorry, I feel like I'm going in and out of focus and I'm going to be so upset because it seems like every time there's a palette I'm super excited to film for, my videos end up out of focus, but I did everything that I should do to keep it in focus. So I'm hoping you guys that this is okay. Like, I did change something with one light for a couple videos, but then I changed it back and maybe what I did was too much. I'm getting a little nervous. Okay. So, I really, really, really want to do like one, maybe like one greenish eye and one bluish eye. So I think that's what we're going to do. This shade, if I can get my brush to not fall off, spaced right here, this deep dark green is just calling to me right now. So we need to use that for sure. Oh, that pigment, oh my goodness. Yeah, Beauty Bay is by far my favorite eyeshadow brand. It's affordable. The pigment is the best. Their shimmers are to die for. You can't find this just anywhere, so Beauty Bay, yeah, just if you guys have not tried any of these shadows, do yourself a favor and pick up a palette or two or three. Like, you will not be disappointed. They're extremely affordable. They are on sale all the time. Now, heads up, if you live in the US, because they are in the UK, shipping will take a couple weeks. There's nothing you can do about it. But I've never had any issues. Everything gets here, you know, in one piece, nothing's broken, which is funny because I've ordered a couple things from Ulta and it's shipped from just a couple states away and I get it and stuff is destroyed. So there's that for you. Okay, now I'm gonna go on this eye. I think I'm gonna go in with this dark blue shade, Hardcore, because that's just another beautiful shade that I just really need to try out. So pretty. And I'm just stamping on the color. I just like to get it on really, really good. And then we'll go in with a shimmer on each eye on the inner portion of the lid. Then we'll figure out what to do on the lower crease as we get there. Now for this green eye. I absolutely have to go in with this shade Machine, which is right here. It is just so beautiful. And it's just going to be the perfect complement to the other shade. Like, do you guys see this? Like the glitter in this shade, like seriously, if you are not using Beauty Bay palettes, you're doing a disservice to yourself. I mean, here, can you guys just see that? It's amazing, just freaking so beautiful. Like, I love this so much. So now for my blue eye, I'm gonna go in with the shade Source, which is right here. Just so excited about this. Ooh. So pretty. I need to build that up, but I might put a different shade on top of it just for a little more. This is more of a creamy shade. So the sparkles aren't showing up as much, but I mean, it's still beautiful. I might just put a, well, no. It's pretty sparkly now. I just need to get a little bit more on. I was gonna say I might go on the top of it with a little bit of a more sparkly shade, but I think just the richness of the color, it doesn't look like it's sparkling as much, but then when I move my head around, I can see more of the sparkles. And oh, are they beautiful. I just cannot get enough of this. This is my first time using this palette, and I'm already just in love. It is amazing, gorgeous, perfect, everything. So now for the lower lash line. I think I want to maybe, what do I want to do? I'm just going to do purple for both lower lash lines, I guess. Or do I want to do purple on this one? And okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go with this shade Grunge for the green eye. And then we're going to do this shade Reality for the blue eye. That's what we're gonna do. So. So pretty. Like, I've got several new palettes that, like, I need to film with, but it's gonna be hard to put this palette down. Alright. Those shades do look very similar on the eye. Okay. I'm going with a little more grunge and just kind of deepen that up a bit. So for the inner corner, I am going to go in with, I think on both eyes, I'm going to use the shade Code right here. That's pretty. And I'm just dragging it kind of a little bit more towards the center of the eye, just to add some extra sparkle. Because why not? Who doesn't love a little extra sparkle, you know? Alright, I'm gonna go clean up a little bit of fallout, do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the look with the mascara done, and as you can see, it is just gorgeous. Just beautiful, beautiful, glittery shimmer, just smoky blue-green, just everything beautiful. This is the Beauty Bay Dark Fantasy palette, you guys. Here's another look at the inside of this gorgeous palette. I'm sure that this beauty will be making more appearances on this channel. And my lip today is the Maybelline Ultimate More Honey lipstick. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. I just thought it'd be perfect to go neutral with my crazy eye look. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next one.